Hey VHHS, Bob here with your next Tuesday tech tip. Today I'd like to share with you an easy way to facilitate blog-style classroom discussion using Google Sheets. The A1, B2, C3, etc. cell layout of a spreadsheet allows for an easy way to assign students an area of the sheet in which to type their response. To assign students a cell, just count them off by row number, making sure to exclude rows that already contain content. The topic or discussion question can be entered in the designated area or announced in class. A single workbook in Sheets can contain several tabs and be organized however you want, by topic, date, class period, etc. Once your topic or discussion question has been announced, students can type in their response in their assigned cell in class or for homework if you post the Sheets workbook on Google Classroom. If you're concerned about copying, remember everything is visible to everyone, you may require that students prepare their responses in advance and copy them into their cell at the appropriate time. The optional peer response column gives classmates a chance to respond to their peers. All you need to do is assign them another row number to type their comments next to the response of the student who originally posted. You could even have students in one class respond to students in another. Sheets is often an overlooked component of G Suite, and I hope using it as a classroom discussion tool sparks some of your own ideas as to how you might be able to use it in your classes. The template shown in this video can be found linked in the TwosDay blog or the description for this video. If you'd like to know more about using Google Sheets to facilitate discussions, or if you have any other tech questions, come on up and see us at the hotspot.